By the time you finish watching this video, you should be able to earn $100 to $200 per day with your smartphone. I'm going to show you how to trade futures using Binance. At the end of this video, if you still have any questions, you can just comment down below or click the first link, join the Telegram group and text me on WhatsApp. I'm going to show you how to set limit orders, market orders, how to add your stop loss and take profit, and all the problems that you might encounter.
To show you the reason why some of you are not making money trading crypto. So we closed the month with over $13,000 in profit. So this is my Binance P2P. So you guys can see this is my withdrawal proof. Just yesterday I withdrew about 1,752 cedis. All these are all my withdrawals. So I'm going to show you the secret and how you can also start making money with your smartphone. I'm also going to share my smartphone screen. So majority of you guys are using the smartphone to trade, so I'm going to show you how to do the same thing. So what I do is I trade Binance futures, and the interesting thing is you can withdraw the money to your mobile money or to your bank account. Very simple. So just follow my instructions, and if you still have any issues, you let me know in the comment section. So what we want to do is, so this is Bitcoin, and this is one of my friend's account. By the way, I'm going to use it to demonstrate so that you guys can see. Okay, so this is trading view. So yesterday, last week we took about we took 1 2 3, we took 3 trades, we took 4 trades. So this is another trade that I'm taking. So anytime that I'm going to take a trade, first of all, I don't use any strategies. I only follow price action, what the market is doing, then I participate. If I don't see any opportunity, I don't trade. So I trade Bitcoin. I'm going to show you guys the reason why some of you are not still making money even when you are winning trades. So these are the trades that we took last week. This trade was a winner. This trade we hit the second TP. This trade we didn't win it. This trade we won. And this is the current trade that I'm in. Today is Sunday. I took this trade that was yesterday in the evening, but I didn't share it with the community. Okay, so let me show you guys something. Anytime that you are going to trade, let's say you found an entry. This was downward movement of Bitcoin last week. When you find an entry and you are going to trade, first of all, you need to calculate your risk. You need to calculate your risk. Some of you don't calculate risk, and that's the reason why you don't make money. Okay, let's take this trade for example. This trade was about 1:4 ratio. So I'm always risking about $200 on a trade. And if I'm winning a trade, so let's say I'm risking $200 on a trade, and I'm going to make back 4 times of it. So 4 times 200, that's about $800. So if I lose the trade, I'm going to lose $200. If I win the trade, I'm going to make $800. This guy gets how it works. So now, anytime that you now learn how to use price action, by the way, the PDFs, if you want to get the PDFs on how to read the price action, you can click the first link and join the Telegram group. So what I'll do is I'll just select a pair, then I'll try to trade it with price action. Then I'll show you guys how to calculate your risk, your stop loss, take profit, and how for you to even know how much you are going to make at the end of the day. So let's say we are going to trade this in FTM.P. So let's say the reason why we are adding .P is because we are using features, crypto features. So if you are trading on Bybit, you make sure you add .P. For me, I trade on Binance, so I'll select Binance here. Have you guys seen, this was a trade that we took last 3 weeks. It didn't go well, but if we scroll back, you guys can see we have been making a lot of profit. So let's say we have a trade like this, and we think the price of FTM is going to, so this is a next resistance zone. This is a next resistance zone. So for us to even enter this trade, we will have to wait for the price to either break through it or hit it, and when it's coming down, we sell. Let me show you guys something. This particular place, you could see like it's a resistance zone for FTM in the 4-hour time frame. This is a resistance zone. You can see consolidation. Then each time price come and hit here, it goes down, goes up, hit there. So it's a resistance. Then we have our support to be around this place, 0.1858. So each time price come here, goes up, comes down, goes up. So now that place is the floor. So for us to trade FTM, what we have to do now is the current price is around here, 0.20. So we are going to wait when FTM hit here. When it hit the next resistance zone, that means this line, we'll give it 2 candles. If the candles break above here, we'll enter a long position. We'll click on here, then we'll put our entry here. Then our stop loss will be around here. Then our take profit will be 1:3. So each time you are going to enter a trade, make sure the take profit is 1:3. 1:3. So what I'll do is, if I double click here, this is my normal account balance. Now I have over $10,021. So let's say this account, we have how much inside this account? So we have $42 inside this account, right? And we are going to trade FTM USDT. So what I'll do is I'll enter $42 here. So if I enter $42, don't tamper with the lot size. So let's say we are risking 10% of this $42. This is our entry where we are entering the market, the 0.2024. Our stop loss. So our stop loss is this particular place. Then we have our take profit being 0.89. So we can click on OK. So when we click on OK, TradingView is going to calculate the amount we are going to enter inside our Binance. So you can see we are entering 3,000. So the quantity, we are entering 3,000 into our Binance futures dashboard. So if we go and we select FTM, so if you click on FTM here, so let's search for FTM. So always select the one with the perpetuals. So we select the one with the perpetual. Then we are going to enter the trade. We use market orders. We know the quantity. So this is where you are now going to enter the quantity. So the quantity is 3,000. Okay. So you can see 3,000 is $12. Then our take profit will be where? Our take profit will be around 0.209. Please guys, you need to follow my instructions. I'm going to show you guys something. 0.2089. Then we know our stop loss to be, so our stop loss will be around 0.204. So we have stop loss to be 0.204. Okay, 24. This is our stop loss, right? Now what you want to do to know how much we are risking and how much we are potentially going to make, so that even if we don't win this trade, but the next trade or the next trade we win, we are going to break even. That's the essence of trading. So what I'll do is I'll click on the calculator at the right hand side. So you click on the calculator. When you click on the calculator, we already know our leverage to be 50x leverage. So we know FTM USDT perpetual. So if we are using a leverage of 50x leverage, we will enter the entry that we have at TradingView. So we know our entry to be, so double click again. So when you double click, this is our entry, 0.2038. So we'll go to Binance. Our entry is 0.2038. Then our exit. Okay, so our exit, where we want to exit the market. So now first we are going to enter our stop loss. Okay, so we know our stop loss to be 0.2024. So this is our stop loss, 0.2024. Then our entry, the quantity, so we enter 3,000. So when we enter 3,000, then we calculate we are going to risk $4.2 on this trade. Have you guys seen it? So this is how much we are going to lose if the trade does not go well. So now let's enter our take profit. So we know our take profit to be 0.2089. Then we'll click on OK. If the trade goes in our favor, we are going to make $15.3. We are going to make $15. Guys, have you now seen it? So now you know that, oh, I'm risking $4 to make $15. So let's say you entered 4 trades, and the 4 trades you only won 2 trades. You still break even. You still make more than your account size. So this is how I am able to make money trading. Once you have your trading strategy and a trading plan, you need to calculate how much you are risking on each trade. I'm going to do a tutorial on my smartphone, so it's very important you subscribe, share the video, and leave a comment of something you don't understand so that I'll do a video about it. Okay, take care and see you in the next video.